Long ago, in a perfect garden, one choice changed everything. But what really happened in the beginning?
In the very beginning, God created a beautiful garden called Eden. It was full of trees, rivers, animals, everything good and perfect. And in the middle of this paradise, God placed two people, Adam and Eve. They had everything they needed. They walked with God, talked with Him, and enjoyed the beauty around them. There was just one rule.
Don't eat from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil.
That's it. One tree, one choice. But one day, a clever serpent came slithering in. He spoke to Eve and asked,
"Did God really say you can't eat from that tree?"
Eve looked at the fruit. It looked delicious. The serpent whispered,
"You won't die. In fact, you'll be like God, knowing good and evil."
Tempted and curious, Eve took a bite. Then she gave it to Adam, and he ate too. In that moment, everything changed. They suddenly realized they were naked. Ashamed, they tried to cover themselves with leaves. When they heard God walking in the garden, they hid. For the first time ever, they were afraid. When God asked what happened, Adam blamed Eve. Eve blamed the serpent. No one took responsibility. Because of their disobedience, Adam and Eve had to leave the garden. Sin had entered the world, and with it came pain, separation, and death. But God didn't leave them with nothing. He lovingly made clothes for them, better than fig leaves. And even in the middle of their punishment, He gave them a promise that one day someone would come to defeat evil forever. Sin pulls us away from God. But even when we fail, God's mercy never leaves us. He still covers us, He still loves us, and He still gives us hope.